Hi everyone! Today we're exploring the basics of dressmaking. It is a skill that combines creativity and careful work to make clothes that fit perfectly. We'll go over the main tools, materials, and methods that make dressmaking possible. Let's jump right in. So, what is dressmaking? Dressmaking is all about making clothes that just fit right. It is a mix of designing, cutting, sewing, and finishing to create a polished garment that feels custom made. So we have here the sewing tools, equipments, and materials in dressmaking. First is tape measure. So what is tape measure? This tool helps us get accurate body measurements to make sure the garment fits well. It is flexible, which makes it easy to measure around curves like the waist or chest. Next is ruler. What is this ruler? So we use a ruler to draw straight lines and measure small sections of fabric. It keeps everything neat, especially when we need even hems or edges. Next is yardstick. A yardstick helps with measuring larger pieces of fabric. It is like a ruler, but this yardstick is much longer and bigger. So it is sturdy and useful for big projects, helping us make long, straight cuts. Let's move on to fabric shears. Fabric shears are special scissors made just for fabric. They cut smoothly, which helps prevent fraying. When we say fraying, these are the edges in which the clothes they have fraying. The clothes are if the clothes are cut not straight or used by dull scissors, it gets fraying. So we use fabric shears to prevent that and keeps the fabric edges clean. Next is pinking shears. When we say pinking shears, these are scissors have zigzag edges and are great for finishing fabric edges to avoid fraying without needing to sew them. Next is thread clippers. Thread clippers are small scissors used to trim loose threads or make detailed cuts, which helps keep the garment neat. Next is rotary cutter. Rotary cutter has a round blade and is great for cutting fabric in straight lines or curves, especially when dealing with multiple layers. Next is seam ripper. Seam ripper is for removing stitches when we need to make changes. It's small but sharp, which makes it easy to undo stitching without tearing the fabric. Tailor's chalk. Tailor's chalk lets us mark the fabric for cutting or sewing. It is temporary, so we can wash or brush it off after easily sewing. Next is tracing wheel and carbon paper. This duo helps transfer pattern lines onto fabric, making it easier to cut and sew pieces accurately. Next is fabric marking pens or pencils. These pens or pencils helps us draw temporary lines on fabric that disappear with water or heat, guiding us as we sew. Next is needles. Needles come in various sizes for both hand and machine sewing. Choosing the right needle keeps the fabric smooth and prevents any snags. Pins and pin cushion. We use pins to hold fabric pieces together before sewing, and a pin cushion keeps them organized and safe. Next is iron. The iron is essential for pressing seams and removing wrinkles, helping the garment look polished and well finished. Next is the ironing board. The ironing board provides a sturdy surface for ironing, preventing fabric from creasing or bunching up. Next is pressing cloth. A pressing cloth protects delicate fabrics from direct heat, so we can iron without causing damage. Let's move on to sewing machine. A sewing machine makes stitching faster and neater. It comes with different settings to suit various fabric types and techniques. Another is serger or overlocker. This machine trims edges while sewing to prevent fraying, giving the garment a professional, clean finish. Next is mannequin or dress form. A dress form is a body-shaped model that helps us see how the garment will fit. making it easier to make adjustments before finishing. Next is fabrics. Fabric choice is important because it affects how the garment will feel, look, and move. Each type of fabric has unique qualities. Next is interfacing. Interfacing adds structure and shape to certain parts of a garment, like collars or cuffs, making them sturdier. Next one is zippers. Zippers are closures that add function and style. They come in different sizes and types for various garment styles. Another is buttons and fasteners. Buttons and other fasteners keep garments closed securely. They add both decoration and function. Next is bias tape. A bias tape is cut on the diagonal and is used for finishing edges or adding trim, giving a neat finish to raw fabric edges.